Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. What is Salomon? Founded in the late 1940s, Salomon is a French sports equipment brand focusing mainly on outdoor sports like hiking, trail running, and even skiing, so yes, gorpcore activities. For most of its history, the brand has been known for function rather than fashion. Their shoes have long been embraced for what they can do thanks to features like waterproof technology, traction providing lugs, and supportive cushioning, and not necessarily what they look like. Though the sports brand first forayed into fashion in 2015, it was in 2023 that Salomon slowly but noticeably took the sneaker world by storm. Please like, share, and subscribe. In the mid-2010s, athleisure took over every fashion enthusiasts. You know the look. Leggings as pants, sports bras as tops, cozy zip-ups, sporty sneakers, no actual gym membership required. In the years that followed, more overtly feminine aesthetics like cottagecore or dark academia have since brought us back to an era of dressing up rather than dressing down. But that doesn't mean blending sport and style has gone away completely. In fact, the philosophy has only taken on new meaning thanks to sneaker brand Salomon. Please do watch our other sneaker and kick series. Please do watch our other Pinoy Malls series. Thank you for watching.